So let's start with the 41st example. And what is said in this example? A block of mass 2 kg is moving on a frictionless horizontal surface with a velocity 1 meter per second as shown in figure towards another block of equal mass which is at rest. So this particular mass is at rest. The spring constant of the spring is 100 Newton per meter. We have to find maximum compression. So here at maximum compression of spring, the two blocks must have common velocity. The compression only will be only when maximum if the two blocks are having common velocity. It means if I draw the momentum or if I draw the diagram at maximum compression, so at the compression in the spring will be maximum when both the blocks are moving with a certain common velocity, and that we have to find first. So in that case I can say that total momentum of system initial must be equal to total momentum of the system final. So initial momentum of the system is mass into velocity plus the other block is at rest. The final momentum of the system will be the common mass, that is 2 plus 2 into the common velocity during maximum compression. So 2 is equal to 4 into their common speed. So during maximum compression, the two blocks are going with a common speed of 1/2 meter per second. While whatever the decrease in the kinetic energy of the system is there, that gets converted into the elastic potential energy of the spring, that is half kx square. So by conservation of energy, I can say that the kinetic energy of the system initial half mv square is equal to kinetic energy final plus spring energy. So it will be half m into v square plus the energy stored in the spring half kx square. So this half will get cancelled from both the sides. So it will be 2 is equal to, this will be 2 plus 2 4 and 1 by 2 is also 4. So that would cancel 1 plus k is 100 into x square. So 100 x square is equal to 1. So I can say x square is equal to 1/100. So therefore x will be equal to 1 by 10, that is 0.1 meter. So x will be 10 centimeter. And that is the compression in the spring. Thank you.